Detailed notes of mindful eating. Diverse food and its components. Variety of food across India. In India, food choices are highly diverse, influenced by religion, regional agriculture, traditions, culture, and local food practices. The variety includes grains, vegetables, fruits, dairy products, and meats, depending on geographical and cultural factors. Food components. Carbohydrates found in rice, wheat, fruits, and vegetables. They provide energy to the body. Fats found in soil, oils, butter, nuts, and seeds. Fats provide energy and help in the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Proteins found in pulses, meat, eggs, and dairy products. They are essential for body growth, repair, and immune function. Vitamins important for various bodily functions including immunity, metabolism, and vision. Sources include fruits, vegetables, and dairy. Minerals important for bone health, oxygen transport, and nerve function. Common minerals are calcium, iron, and potassium found in milk, vegetables, and meat. Water vital for all body functions, hydration, digestion, and temperature regulation. Roughage dietary fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. Culinary practices. Traditional cooking methods. Traditional methods include using fresh, seasonal ingredients, slow cooking, and natural flavoring through spices and herbs. These methods retain more nutrients and support cultural traditions. Cooking is often done in a way that maximizes the nutritional benefits such as steaming, boiling, or roasting. Modern cooking methods. In contrast, modern cooking often uses processed foods, microwave ovens, and fast food, which can compromise nutritional value. There is an increasing reliance on quick cooking and ready to eat meals. This shift has led to an increase in the consumption of unhealthy food options like junk food. Changes over time. Historically, cooking was done at home using local produce, while today, processed packaged foods are commonly available. The rapid pace of modern life has contributed to the rise in convenience foods. The role of food in the body. Functions of food. Energy. Carbohydrates and fats are primary energy sources for physical activity and body functions. Growth. Proteins are essential for the growth and repair of tissues. Body repair. Proteins and minerals are involved in repairing tissues and muscles. Disease protection. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants protect the body from infections and chronic diseases. Temperature regulation and digestion. Water and roughage help maintain body temperature and facilitate digestion. Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet provides all the essential nutrients in the right quantities, ensuring the body functions optimally. The diet should include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and roughage. Importance of a balanced diet. Promotes growth, energy, and overall health. Strengthens immunity and prevents nutrient deficiencies. Essential for maintaining a healthy weight, proper brain function, and physical performance. Components of a balanced diet. Carbohydrates, the energy source, for example, rice, wheat, fruits. Proteins, required for growth and tissue repair, for example, pulses, meat, fish. Fats, support cell function and energy storage like oils, nuts. Vitamins and minerals crucial for immunity and metabolic functions. For example, fruits, vegetables, dairy. Water, hydration and metabolic processes. Roughage aids in digestion. For example, whole grains, vegetables. Deficiency diseases, impact of nutrient deficiencies. Prolonged lack of essential nutrients can lead to various deficiency diseases. Scurvy, caused by a deficiency in vitamin C, leading to gum disease, skin problems, and fatigue. Rickets, caused by a lack of vitamin D and calcium, leading to weak bones and skeletal deformities. Prevention, ensuring a balanced diet with adequate vitamins and minerals prevents these diseases. Regular intake of fruits, vegetables, dairy, and fortified foods helps meet nutrient requirements. Junk food. Definition of junk food. Junk foods are typically high in sugars, fats, and salt, but low in essential nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and fiber. Examples include packaged snacks, fried foods, carbonated drinks, and candy bars. Impact on health. Junk food contributes to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other health issues. They lack the essential nutrients and body needs for proper growth and function. They often lead to an imbalance in the body's nutrient intake. Why junk foods are harmful? They are nutrient poor and calorie dense. High sugar and fat content can lead to weight gain and metabolic disorders. Millets, Nutri cereals. What are millets? Millets are small sized grains including jowar, bajra, ragi, and sanwa and have been a part of the Indian diet for centuries. They are rich in nutrients like fiber, calcium, iron, and B vitamins. Nutritional benefits. Millets are considered Nutri cereals due to their high nutritional value. They are good for digestion, bone health, and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Benefits of millets. Easy to cultivate in diverse climates. Millets contribute to a balanced diet and help combat malnutrition. They are environmentally friendly as they require fewer resources than other grains. Food miles. What are food miles? Food miles refers to the distance that a food item travels from its place of production to the consumer's plate. Impact of food miles. High food miles increase the environmental impact due to energy used in transportation and packaging. Reducing food miles helps reduce pollution, supports local farmers, and provides fresher food. Minimizing food miles. Choosing locally grown and seasonal foods can minimize food miles. Supporting local food systems benefits both the economy and the environment. Avoiding food wastage. The importance of reducing food wastage. Wasting food has environmental consequences such as unnecessary greenhouse gas emissions from food production and transport. Wasting food also undermines the hard work of farmers and producers. How to avoid wastage? Only take as much food as you can consume. Plan meals and store food properly to reduce spoilage. Repurpose leftover food when possible. The ethics of food consumption. Respecting food, sharing, and consuming mindfully reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Sustainable eating habits. Eating locally and plant based. Locally grown plant-based foods are healthier and better for the environment. They help reduce food miles, support local economies, and contribute to more sustainable agricultural practices. Support for local farmers. Purchasing local produce ensures that farmers earn a fair price for their work and that the food is fresher. Sustainable practices also reduce carbon footprints and help mitigate climate change. Conclusion. Holistic approach to diet. A balanced, nutritious diet combined with sustainable eating habits leads to good health, environmental protection, and social well being. Reducing food waste, supporting local producers, and choosing plant based and locally grown foods help create a healthier world. Embracing these practices will result in long term benefits for both individuals and the planet.